So for the last week or so, Murphy and I have been testing out this baby Beast duffel bag from Saddleback Leather. You ready to do a review, Murphy? You ready to do a review? What do you think? You think it's comfortable? You've been sleeping in it a lot. Now, before we get going, I just want to be upfront. Saddleback Leather did send me this bag, but no money exchange hands. They don't get to see this video before it's released, and they don't get any say in what I say or how I review it. Little labs love to chew. And he has really tested this thing's durability out. And in that regard, this bag is incredible. This has also been Murphy's go-to nap spot for the last week or so, because he loves the smell of it. He likes chewing on the edges here when he's about to fall asleep. I think he's about to go to sleep now. But this has been a great durable bag. Black Lab puppy approved, and we'll get into everything else on it. Now, I first heard about Saddleback Leather years ago. It was in 2012, maybe 2011, somewhere around there. I was reading through Jesse Thorne's blog, the Put This On blog, and I love reading through there for gear and clothing and all that stuff. And they did a little article on Saddleback Leather Company, and back then they had just the Beast Duffel bag, which seemed awesome and robust, but way bigger than what I want to use a duffel bag for in my day-to-day life. And that's why when I got the opportunity to test out this baby Beast duffel bag, I was super excited. And it just so happens that we had also just gotten Murphy, so he could help test it out with me, which, if you know anything about labs, they're great for durability tests because they kind of love to chew on everything. Don't you, Murphy? So, one, robustness. They tout it, they have a 100-year warranty because they're so proud of how robust this is. It will hold up to a baby lab sleeping in it and chewing on it and all of that stuff. So definitely right there. But to get into the robustness, what makes it so stout and so strong and worth that 100-year warranty that they claim? Well, honestly, it's all quality of materials and the care putting them together. And they do that extremely well. First off, let's start with the leather itself. This is a full grain leather, not a top grain leather. So it's very robust, but also very soft, very smooth. And as you can see here, let me get close so you can see the edges. Very thick leather in itself. So this leather is just absolutely bomb-proof. I even saw recently they put fireworks in their backpack and set them off, and the bag was totally fine. And part of the reason for that is the interior lined with pigskin, which is incredible. Pigskin is a durable leather, but it's also very soft to the touch, so it makes a great interior lining there. And then inside, it's just a big open duffel bag. Now you do have some pockets on the sides here, and I love using these for things like my belt or little bits of electronics or whatever, just things, medicine, things you don't want to lose. You can just pick them up and put them in the side pockets there and just kind of have them. But otherwise, I love a duffel bag that has just a big open space. I don't need it compartmentalized ahead of time, because if I want to compartmentalize stuff, like if I want to put my camera gear in here, I will use a camera cube and I will just put it in here and it will fit totally fine. Like, that's what I would do. So I like a big open duffel bag. That's exactly what I want from one. And as far as size on this, as you can see, as big as I am, I can fit easily, 3 to 5 days worth of clothes in here with an extra pair of shoes, which is saying something because I have giant feet and that's always an issue. But definitely 3 to 5 days on this, and this is carry-on size, which is incredible. And for specifics, the size is 19.25 inches by 11 inches by 9.75 inches. So that way you can kind of figure out the shape of this bag before you buy it. Carry-on size for a duffel bag is kind of perfect for me because you can just take it, throw it over your shoulder, and you are good to go. Nice, easy carry there. And that's why I like this size versus something larger. I know a lot of people like larger duffel bags, but that's not me. Like I said, all the attention to detail, all the quality and the construction is what makes these bags so special, and why I was so interested in them originally, and so glad I get to test this out now, because it is proving what I assumed about it ahead of time. But if you look at this, like the stitching here is just absolutely incredible. And the thread itself is one of those little details. That's marine grade thread that is UV resistant and everything. It's what they use on sails for sailboats. So a really stout thread and a really thick size of it. So not only are you using the strongest type of material, you're using a really beefed up version of that material. And that's kind of the theme around this whole bag, which is beefed up to last a long time. I mean, if you look at the straps here, the buckles, even the adjustable strap for your shoulder, everything that attaches, everything that moves, everything is so sturdy. Now, another way that they've made this bag incredibly sturdy, or any of the Beast bags, because they have the normal Beast, the baby Beast, and the adolescent Beast, which is like in between this size and the big giant one, is the construction. And what's so cool about this, let's see if I can show you this, is this piece of leather here that starts on your top, goes down to the back, comes across the bottom, and then around to the front is just one piece of leather, one piece of super thick, sturdy leather. So that minimizes all of your seams to just the surrounding end caps. And that means that no matter how much stress you put on it, this thing is really, really going to hold up to kind of any abuse you can throw at it. But then the construction of the handle holds themselves add extra support around kind of the areas that have more contact. So you just get a little extra reinforcement. And this thing is super sturdy. Now, I will say that sturdiness and that thickness could be a negative to you depending on your style, depending on what you like. It's not for me because, my gosh, this just screams adventure and like ready to go, and you know, harkens back to like Indiana Jones or something like that. And I absolutely love it. But because of that stoutness, because of that thickness, you know, it doesn't collapse down a lot. It's got these big chunky straps and buckles and all of that. And so it may not be your style, but that is sort of a subjective negative. Now, another thing people might find issue with, it's again, a thing that's not a big deal to me, is the weight. It is 5.5 pounds, just empty. But the reason for that weight is because of the sturdiness of the build quality. So to me, it's a very fair trade-off. All in all, this is an excellent bag if you are looking for something that's sturdy, classic, and gonna be around forever. But this is not for someone who wants something sleek and slim and modern. But outside sort of subjective things like that, you're not going to find any negatives. I mean, the quality of the materials chosen, the quality of the actual build of the bag itself is just incredible. And the attention to details to make it last are absolutely stunning. And this really is a bag that a lot of companies will tout that they have, that they will say, oh, you know, we have this amazing heirloom piece of luggage here, or this heirloom bag that you and your family will have for years and years and years. And that may or may not be true, especially in like luxury brand circles. That's less true nowadays with a lot of the quality of the goods. But these are something you need to feel to really do it. Like all these pictures, all this information, it can only kind of express it so much, but if you have one of these things in your hand, you will understand how this will just last your entire life and look good doing it, because as it ages, you're gonna get all these cool marks and the patina and everything that just kind of tell a story of you and your bag and all the adventures that you've been on. So if you're looking for a duffel bag like this, or backpacks and stuff, they have those on their website as well. Go check out Saddleback Leather, because you will really and truly have a leather good that will last the rest of your life and maybe your kids' lives. I hope you all have enjoyed this review and this kind of look at the baby Beast Duffel from Saddleback Leather. If you have any more questions, comments, anything, just leave them in the comments below. If you found this video useful or informative, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. That really helps out the channel and helps me out. And as always, I hope to see you out there. Bye.